In culture, ibang tradition na to as tawi-tawian. Gatan ini pamakay sin budyang kabudyangan na to hadong ini. Budyang tawi-tawi is truly our pride.
Aliana Duwag Amiral 23, walk out! Monica Filianati 23, Bujang Virgil Island! Ariati Abilino Tunis 21, Utopia! Fatima Sherinata Tapayani Sanchili 18, Bujang Sitanda!
Live from the MBHC complex in Bungao, Tawi-Tawi. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bujang Tawi-Tawi 2025, the Grand Coronation Night.
Kita-kita sin katilikan alam, no? Hindi lang Pilipinas, buong mundo. And our Bujang Tawi-Tawi is now becoming the best platform to inform others na tawi-tawian ako yung kultura na to.
Anjali Grace Ramos Dalaga 24, Mapo!
Ang ganda mga anak ko, Budyang Tawi-Tawi candidates. Congratulations Asal. Can you katan more than this is your sisterhood and the love for Tawi-Tawi. Halol akal, nagdara sinlingkat sarta o opihan, NPL palamay, iban, dayaw pangadyatan, amuin makatabang, magpasambu, magpalingkat, sin image, sin hula na to, tawi-tawi, kalasahan. Makatihil kabantugan, iban makataas, sin darajat, sin kababaihan, hataw man sin kitaniyo.
Completing our top 5 is Puchay Bonggao.
Ayat ng Tawi, nandyan na kamo sa Bujang Tawi-Tawi 2025. Dagang Coronation Night, magsusod, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Our Bujang Tawi-Tawi 2025 is turned out! Cultural pride and innovation, and with the government who truly cares for its environment and its people, I know that we can show the world that even in a small island province like ours, Tawi-Tawi can shine as the model of strength, resilience, sustainability in the world. Together, let us prove that Tawi-Tawi is truly not a land of limitations, but of limitless possibilities.